Hello everyone, my name is Theresa Miller, Director of Technical Advocacy here at Cohesity. Today, we are going to take a look at how you can restore your database workloads with Cohesity. Before I dive in, one of the things that I'd like to have you think about is the fact that data disasters can strike at any time, and they come in many different forms. It could be a cyber attack, could be a data disaster that is happening because of weather or something political, or even something technology focused. What enterprises are telling us is that they really need to be prepared for recovery of any data type. And so as we dive into our demo today, I'm going to show you how, beyond the more traditional database solutions such as SQL and Oracle, we also have the ability to protect and recover your more modern databases such as MongoDB and more. Let's dive in. So here I'm going to go ahead and just head over to where you can register your databases as sources. You can see I have several registered already, but I'm going to go ahead and just expand on this more. So here you have SQL and Oracle, but we also expand to Cassandra and MongoDB, Hadoop, and then also within our Universal Data Adapter, we offer the ability to protect other database workloads. Today we'll focus on the PostgreSQL. I'm going to go ahead and cancel. So now let's go ahead and look at how you can do some of these recoveries. I'm going to go ahead and click Recoveries, and then let's click Recover and recover a MongoDB database. I'm going to go ahead and just put a wildcard in, and I'm going to choose one of the MongoDB collections, and I'm going to edit the point in time in which I'm going to restore back to. Now, in this particular case, this protection job was set up so that it was doing continuous data protection. What that means from a restore perspective is that I can go back to any point in time by the second. So if I go ahead and just change this, notice the recovery point is there. I choose Select, and then I can click Next. We're going to go ahead and restore this as a new object on a different target, and we're going to go ahead and give this a new name. From here, I'm going to go ahead and click Recover, and that is initiating now. While that's restoring, let's go ahead and look at an Oracle restore. While this is a more traditional database workload, there are some key benefits to using our solution. I'm going to go ahead and put a wildcard in here, and it brings up my Oracle database from its most recent backup, and I'm going to go ahead and click Next. Now, the first thing I'd like to point out is you do get instant recovery as a choice. So instant recovery creates a clone of the database on Cohesity. Once that clone is created, the data files can be migrated to your production storage while the database remains open for transaction. So think about that for a second. What that means is that the recovery starts, user access is restored, and the recovery continues. I'm going to go ahead. I just made a couple more selections, and I'm going to click Recover and recover again. And then while that is running, I'm going to go ahead and choose Recover, and we're going to transition to a restore of PostgreSQL that's part of our Universal Data Adapter option. So the UDA, just to kind of highlight what that is, it really does allow easy and quick delivery of adapters for various environments, and also helps with the standardization. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and choose this PG SQL. We're going to leave the restore point as is, and we're going to click add. I'm going to go ahead, I gave it an object name, and we're going to go ahead and do this to a new location. We're going to take advantage of the instant restore. So again, that means that the restore starts, user access can be restored, and then you can have the restore continue in the background. And that wraps that up. Let's go ahead before I close things out and just head into one of these that's already completed. When you click into the task, you can click show subtasks, and that's going to give you all the details of the restore in progress. That wraps up my demo that shows how you can leverage Cohesity to do continuous data protection, as well as instant restore across the traditional databases as well as the modern ones. Thank you.